Hi everyone, I am Marcus Alexis O. Albano. In this video, I'll be solving a third order ordinary differential equation using the Laplace transform method. The equation I'll be working with is y triple prime plus 3y double prime plus 3y prime plus y equals to 0. With the initial conditions, y of 0 equals to 1, y prime 0 equals to 0, y double prime of 0 equals to 0. I'll explain each step clearly, so let's get started. First, let's apply the Laplace transform to both sides of the equation. Remember the Laplace transform of the derivatives. Laplace of y prime equals to sy of s minus y of 0. Laplace of y double prime equals to s squared y of s minus sy of 0 minus y prime of 0. Laplace of y triple prime equals to s cubed y of s minus s squared y of 0 minus s prime of 0 minus y double prime of 0. Applying that to each term in the equation, Laplace y triple prime plus 3 Laplace y double prime plus 3 Laplace y prime plus Laplace of y equals to 0. Substitute the transform and initial conditions. S cubed y of s minus s squared of 1 minus s of 0 minus 0 plus 3 s squared y of s minus s of 1 minus 0 plus 3s y of s minus 1 plus y of s equals to 0. Simplify each term. S cubed y of s minus s squared plus 3s squared y of s minus 3s plus 3s y of s minus 3 plus y of s equals to 0. Combine like terms, s cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s plus 1 times y of s minus s squared plus 3s plus 3 equals to 0. Let's solve for y of s. The given is s cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s plus 1 times y of s equals to s squared plus 3s plus 3. Y of s equals to s squared plus 3s plus 3 over s cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s plus 1. Now check the denominator. Notice that s cubed plus 3s squared plus 3s plus 1 equals to s plus 1 cubed. So we rewrite y of s as y of s equals to s squared plus 3s plus 3 over s plus 1 cubed. So let's do partial fraction for s squared plus 3s plus 3 over s plus 1 cubed. We set it up like this. S squared plus 3s plus 3 over s plus 1 cubed equals to a over s plus 1 plus b over s plus 1 squared plus c over s plus 1 cubed. Multiply both sides by s plus 1 cubed. So we get s squared plus 3s plus 3 equals to a times s plus 1 squared plus b times s plus 1 plus c. Now, expand the right hand side and equate coefficients. Solve the system of equations to find a, b, and c. And you'll get a equals to 1, b equals to 1, and c equals to 1. So now, y of s equals to 1 over s plus 1 plus 1 over s plus 1 squared plus 1 over s plus 1 cubed. Now, apply the inverse Laplace transform. Inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 1 equals to e raised to negative t. Inverse Laplace of 1 over s plus 1 squared equals to t times e raised to negative t. Inverse Laplace transform of 1 over s plus 1 cube equals to t squared over 2 times e raised to negative t. So, the final solution is y of t equals to e raised to negative t plus t times e raised to negative t plus t squared over 2 times e raised to negative t. You can factor out e raised to negative t. Y of t equals to e raised to negative t times 1 plus t squared over 2. To summarize, we solved a third-order differential equation using the Laplace transform. We took the Laplace both sides, plug in initial conditions, solve for y of s, use partial fraction decomposition, took the inverse Laplace transform. This is the final answer on the screen. That's it. Thanks for watching.